Good morning, students. Subject Geography, lesson number 10, Human Settlement. From the following, assign a suitable names to each of the pictures. Rural settlement, tribal hamlet, city and town. Arrange the pictures according to the level of development in the settlements. So, the answer is figure A is a rural settlement. Figure B is a town. Then figure C is tribal hamlet and last figure D is a city. Geographical explanation. Human settlements flourished at places with favorable geographical conditions such as availability of water, a conducive climate, fertile land, etc. In the early settlements, the occupation of the people were dependent on the locally available natural resources. This rise to separate settlements of people engaged in a particular occupation. For example, people along the sea coast are engaged in fishing. Their settlements became fishing hamlets, kolivada. Forest dwellers or tribal people use forest produce for their livelihood. They live in forest areas in tribal hamlets, Adivasi padas. Agriculture is practiced in fertile areas. Farmer families build their houses in or near their fields. These settlements gradually grow bigger. The settlements where the original occupations of the majority of the people are based on natural resources are called rural settlements. Agriculture, fishery, etc. are some of these occupations. With the passage of time, other associated occupations also develop gradually in these rural settlements. As a result, people from surrounding areas migrate and settle there, leading to an increase in the rural population. Houses are built and different facilities are developed for the growing population. Importance of secondary and tertiary occupations increase. The proportion of people engaged in primary occupations declines. This process leads to the transformation of rural settlement into urban settlements. Due to religious, historical, commercial, educational and administrative reasons, and also due to tourism, the original settlement may transform into an urban one. If the population and necessary amenities increase on the large scale, the urban areas grow into metropolitan cities.